Hey everyone, and welcome to PeekAboo-AI Surveillance. This is the channel where we explore all the fascinating and sometimes surprising ways artificial intelligence is being used in video and audio surveillance. If you're new here, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll never miss out on the latest news and info you need to know about AI surveillance. Also, be sure to check the description below for any helpful links related to today's topic. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. I'm glad to have you. Let's get into it. Today, we're diving into the world of cloud-based AI surveillance. So, what is it? Simply put, it is a system that uses artificial intelligence to analyze video footage that is stored remotely on cloud servers. This isn't your old-school security system. We're talking about advanced features like analyzing behavior, detecting threats in real time, and letting you access everything from any internet-connected device. Unlike traditional systems that are stuck with local storage, this approach uses the power of the cloud and AI for a much more efficient, powerful, and accessible way to manage security. So, how does it all work? Let's break it down. First, there's cloud storage. Your video footage is sent over the internet and saved on remote servers. This completely gets rid of the need for those bulky hard drives or servers on site. Next, AI and machine learning step in. These smart algorithms automatically scan your video feeds. They can spot unusual activity, count people, track movement patterns, and even perform facial recognition. And the best part, remote access. You can watch live or recorded video from anywhere, whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, all through a single centralized cloud dashboard. Now, let's talk about the perks, because there are a ton of them. One of the biggest benefits is centralized management. If your organization has multiple locations, you can monitor and manage every single camera from one interface. It really simplifies everything. Another huge win is reduced hardware and maintenance. You don't need to buy expensive servers. And software updates are handled automatically in the cloud, so maintenance is a breeze. But what about security? This is where it gets really good. AI surveillance can detect threats as they happen, which means faster response times and fewer false alarms. Plus, storing your data in the cloud makes it much safer from physical theft or a local system crashing. These systems are also great team players. They can integrate with other security platforms, like access control and alarm systems, creating a truly unified security network. The beauty of cloud-based AI is its scalability. Your system can be as simple as a few live cameras or as complex as a portfolio-wide network with hundreds of cameras, sensors, and professional monitoring. It all depends on your specific security needs. So, which system is right for you? If you're okay with a larger initial investment and want minimal ongoing costs, a traditional system might work. But remember, if you need to scale or change it later, you could be looking at some major expenses. On the other hand, if you want a more affordable starting point and a system that's easy and cheap to scale up, a cloud-based system is probably your best bet. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out this video. If there are any links, you'll find them in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any important AI surveillance information. And be sure to check out the other videos popping up on your screen for more content like this. And don't forget PeekAboo-AI.